Is your lane assist warning light on? That little icon means your car's lane keeping system has shut off, one of your most important safety features. Today, I'll show you the real causes, quick fixes, and hidden issues most drivers miss. This isn't just an annoying beep, it's your car's way of saying, "I can't see the road, help me out." The system uses a camera to watch the lane lines and keep you safe, but it's not perfect. When the light comes on, it could be as simple as dirt or as serious as a sensor failure. The good news? Most problems are easy to fix yourself. Let's break down the steps to get your lane assist back online. The most common reason for the warning light? A dirty or blocked windshield. The lane keeping camera, usually behind your rearview mirror, needs a clear view. Dirt, bugs, or even fog on the glass can block its vision, just like trying to see through a dirty window. Even a parking pass or phone mount in the wrong spot can mess things up. The fix: clean the outside and inside of your windshield, especially in front of the camera. Remove any stickers or mounts in the way. If it's foggy inside, run defroster. Once the camera can see, the warning light should turn off and the system will reactivate. This simple step solves the problem for most drivers. Always start here before worrying about bigger issues. A clean windshield is your easiest fix. If your windshield is clean but the light's still on, check the weather. Heavy rain, snow, or glare from the sun can blind the camera. Faded or missing lane lines, or confusing construction markings, can also trip up the system. When the camera can't see, it shuts off for safety. This is normal. There's nothing to fix here. Just wait for better conditions. Once the weather clears or you're on a well-marked road, the system will turn itself back on. If the warning light only appears in bad weather, or on certain roads, you've found your answer. Don't panic, your car is just playing it safe. Pay attention to when the light comes on. If it's only during poor conditions, it's not a real problem. The system will reset itself. Your co-pilot will be back when the road is clear. Did you recently replace your windshield? If the lane assist light came on right after, the camera probably needs recalibration. The camera is mounted with extreme precision, just a millimeter off, and it can't see straight. After a new windshield, the camera must be recalibrated using special tools at a dealership or ADAS shop. Some glass shops skip this step, leaving your system offline. Always ask if recalibration is included with your windshield replacement. If not, take your car back and request it or go to a certified shop. Without calibration, your lane assist is flying blind. Proper calibration restores your safety features. Don't settle for just new glass. Make sure your camera is aimed right. This step is critical for your car's advanced safety systems. Get it done, and your warning light should disappear. If cleaning and calibration don't work, the problem might be inside the system. The camera or its wiring can fail from wear, vibration, or corrosion. Use an advanced OBD2 scanner to check for error codes related to the camera or ADAS module. Codes like lost communication suggest wiring issues. Internal camera fault means the camera itself may be bad. Visual inspection can reveal loose plugs or damaged wires. Replacing a failed camera requires professional calibration. Even if you can't fix it yourself, knowing the code helps the shop diagnose faster. Data-driven troubleshooting saves time and money. Low battery voltage is a hidden culprit in many modern cars. If your battery or alternator is weak, the car shuts down non-essential systems, like lane assist, to save power. Check your battery with a multimeter. 12.6 volts is healthy. Below 12.2 means trouble. With the engine running, you should see 13.7 to 14.7 volts. Many auto parts stores will test your battery and alternator for free. Replace a weak battery or failing alternator to restore full system function. Low voltage can cause all sorts of weird electronic glitches. Always check your electrical system before blaming expensive sensors. A strong battery is the foundation for all your car's tech. The lane assist system also relies on the steering angle sensor to know what you're doing with the wheel. If this sensor is out of calibration, often after a wheel alignment or hitting a pothole, the system gets confused and shuts off. The fix is a steering angle sensor recalibration, sometimes done with a scan tool or a specific procedure. If you've had an alignment and the light came on, ask the shop to recalibrate the sensor. Sometimes the sensor itself can fail, but calibration is more common. The system needs accurate steering data to work. Don't skip this step after suspension or alignment work. A quick recalibration can bring your lane assist back online. It's a small fix with a big impact on safety. Mismatched or underinflated tires can confuse your car's sensors. The system expects all 4 tires to be the same size and wear. A flat, mismatched, or unevenly worn tire spins at a different speed, creating data conflicts. Always check tire pressure and match brands, and tread wear as closely as possible. Replace tires in pairs or all four at once for best results. Even a small difference can throw off advanced systems. Regularly rotate your tires and keep them properly inflated. If you've recently changed a tire and the warning light appears, check for mismatches. Sometimes new matching tires are the only fix. Your tires are the foundation for all your car's safety tech. So, why is your lane assist warning light on? It could be dirt, weather, a new windshield, low voltage, sensor issues, or even your tires. Start with the simple fixes. Clean the glass, check the weather, inspect your tires and battery. If the light stays on, look into calibration or sensor faults. Don't panic. Think like a detective and work through the steps. Most issues are easy to solve, and now you know how. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more car fix tips. Drive safe.